Hey, 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 hey. Come on now.
Yeah!
The world's moving fast. Let's ride! Sun comes up on a brand new day. Coffee's hot and the world's awake. Grandpa's asking ChatGPT, help me fix this old TV. Grandma smiles with her reading glasses, learning recipes, growing roses. A little kid, only 6 years old, asks big questions, brave and bold. Everybody's learning something. Everybody's chasing dreams. From small town roads to city lights, ideas travel overnight. The future's knocking open the door. There's always something new to explore. Hey, this is the ChatGPT generation. Everybody's got imagination, writing stories, writing songs, helping us learn all day long. Pictures, videos, dreams come true. New ideas for me and you. Hey, this is the AI generation. Human hearts with innovation. Clap your hands, lift your voice. The future grows with every choice. Someone's writing their very first book. Someone's learning how to cook. Someone's building a family plan. Someone's starting a business again.
Students searching late at night, finding answers, shining bright. Teachers, doctors, engineers, learning something every year.
Artists painting brand new skies. Songwriters finding fresh surprise. Ask a question, start somewhere. Knowledge is for all to share.
Dream a little,
Dream a lot,
keep creating.
don't ever stop. Hey, this is the ChatGPT generation. Everybody's got imagination, writing novels, writing songs, helping us grow all day long. Creating images, learning too, opening doors for something new. Hey, this is the AI generation, powered by human inspiration. Dance together, sing along. We're building tomorrow, one idea at a time. Technology keeps changing every single day, but kindness, creativity, and curiosity still lead the way. AI is a helping hand.
It doesn't replace who we are.
The biggest ideas still begin
Inside the human heart.
This is the ChatGPT generation.
Come together, every nation.
Write your story,
Share your song.
help each other all along.
Create a picture.
Make a plan, learn whatever you can. Hey, Write it,
Sing it,
dream it.
build it.
This is the ChatGPT generation.